All right, what's up, YouTube? This is Hassan with the Struggling Day Trader channel, and I'm live. It is Tuesday, April 2nd, and the SPY is looking rather gloomy. Rather gloomy. It is gapped below the last level of the last low we made, which was 518.40, and currently it's at 518. And yeah, so now we're getting into this level of resistance, and oh no, man. It is looking like we might be going down quite a bit. Yeah, imagine going back down to this 200 EMA. That would be crazy. Like, holy sell-off, Batman. Hey, what's up, Ben? So, got a few things up on the watch list. Nothing I'm very excited for. MU's kind of been holding up rather decently. And it could be ready for another higher high after that, higher low, possibly. So watching out for that. If we get back over 125, I think that looks pretty nice. Let me see. Oh no, man, I might have to pull up some of them small caps this morning. Take a shot at a couple of those. Yeah, Baba's like way low. I don't even know how this got on my list right here. Well, this is not looking like it. Everything looks like trash today, honestly. All right, what's up, kid? Via email. All right, let me check that out. Probably check it out here in a little bit. VVPRAINC. Well, the market is open. Just the SPY mess around and have a super bullish day. That would be funny. He's pushing hella lower. Okay. Whoa. Baba got a nice pop right there. Yeah, I will be real surprised if any trading happens today. Well, I don't know. I guess I'll be surprised if no trading happens today. Knowing me. Did get into Amazon there. Kind of like your meta, but it's just not a very pretty entry. Looks better on the 2 actually than it does on the 1. I don't know, man. It's like 10 share entry right there, though. Maybe 15. Wow. GLD is pumping. Where we at? My bad. Jeez Louise. Hey, what's up, Muhammad? It's out here fighting the market instead of rolling with it, I guess. Alright, well, we're definitely gonna sit back and chill after that. Quickly threw that away. Should have jumped on that Q's. VVPR. It looks pretty interesting. Wow, that thing's pushing. Violent though. Looks violent. Sure was thinking about Meta right there. See if it'll come back down and just show some. Just poor timing on Meta, man. Poor timing on Meta. It wanted to have a deep pullback first, which had I been on the 2-minute chart, I think that would have been a little more clear. But we got our own fish to fry over here with Guild. GLD. Wonder if people are just getting scared about the market and everybody's putting their money back in gold because it looks like the market's about to dump severely. Golly, Meta's going bananas. That would have been a nice little trade right there, too. It's the ones you don't take. What about people moving into gold? Yeah, it happens quite often. The glitz and glamour of all these complicated investments start to go away when the market's turning red. Baba's crashing back down, but Meta is moving. Yep. Yeah, VVPR looked like it had no interest in pulling back. No interest at all. Whoa. Let me turn that around quickly with that atrocious ad at the top. It's 12 cents, 45, 43. better ad on that thing. Huh. My average is still gonna be trash though. uh, yeah. I hear what you're saying, man. You know me though. Gotta see it through. Yeah, this would have been a much better ad right there. It's getting really volatile right now, which could, I mean, could be great. It could get really explosive if we break back over this high. Could also break down extremely, extremely fast. Got a lot of bid orders coming in. Yeah, it's just gotten very volatile. Just gotta see where it goes now, man. Gotta see where it goes. Man, it's like huge swings. I got too many shares. That's what's going on. I should be taking out right here at 79-ish, the way it keeps bumping his head. Take out that 50 anyway. 4 cent up. Baba's moving so unpredictably. There's just no way I could trade it. Amazon looks like it's making a possible move up. Yeah, man, I think if we get over 80, man, it's probably gonna explode. Huge tug of war right now, though. SPY making a run back up to VWAP. Here we go. Let's go. There we go. 82, 83. Bang. How about that, Ben? Oh. Oh. Guess what, though? I left 50 on the table, baby. We still in the money. Oh, man. I knew it was going to explode, man. It's so volatile right there. Is that it? Got the rest sitting at break even. See what kind of run we can make out of this today. Yeah, man. We needed that. Needed that. There is no resistance to plot. From 7, you was gonna buy it $7? Oh yeah, bro. Ooh, that was talk about buying at the top. I mean, I guess that's a breakout play, but that's why I don't like them. Nah. Do. Yeah, nah. It does look tempting. Back up to yesterday's close. Let's see if this 5-minute hold up. I'll take it on the 5. Yeah, I don't know. It's holding up pretty decently, but looks like the volume is left the building. Keep talking myself out of that one. Sucky thing is this thing goes back to VWAP. It's pretty much over because I'm getting stopped out. Guess I just seeing if it's gonna hold 210. Really, not like there's any resistance there, but you know those whole dollar numbers are imaginary resistance a lot of times. That's dangerous. All these are dangerous with the market doing what it's doing. It's been on. Okay, I like that bar. Might be a nice little turnaround. Maybe. Good job not getting in Amazon. Now Baba, on the other hand, Baba looks kind of interesting, even though it's far from VWAP. Maybe just a little tap down there. We could make something happen. This is really where all the volume came in right here. Like that. Yeah. There's Baba. Kind of doing what I thought it might do, but just not really a good setup, in my opinion. I don't know. It's too sketchy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my little $10 or whatever this would be. We gonna lock that in. I'm gonna go use the restroom, dog. Watch my gold for me, man. Okay, that's nice to see. You sold all my gold. That's funny. The gold is looking pretty good. Boy, Meta turned out to be a really nice thing to trade. I just got into early 2468. Yeah, 2468. Yeah, I should have had my timer on today, man. That might have saved me from this junk. Cause it was a good one to have up. I just should have waited till right here to get in. Should have waited till right there. That would have been a nice little entry. I got in Amazon stupidly early as well. Both of those were pre 10-minute entries. The rules win again, Ben. The rules win again. I got here late this morning though, man. I was super tired today. So I just didn't really go through my routine. You can't buy when your stop will be below VWAP, so it's below the dotted line. Yeah, right. Come on now, keep it pushing. I don't think you could take this ridiculously wide range candle right there. That's too big. Worry. What happened? Just one candle did that. Oh, yeah. What happened there? Well, on the one, what did it look like on the one? I think it was like a tweezer setup. Yeah, this little tweezer guy kind of gets me going sometimes. But yeah, this thing right here was a clear reason to not take this trade. I don't remember it looking that big when I was looking at it earlier. It looked a little more narrow than that. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to get anything back from Amazon or Meta really, because yeah. I think the market going down is good for my gold, actually. I'm just going to trade gold every day. I don't know, man. Got a little wiggle room. Since gold is doing so well, gave me a little confidence to take another swing at Amazon. Is that a new high day? What's high day? 54. Got to 56. Yeah, let's go ahead and capture that. Or should I keep it down there? Yeah, let's keep it under. Let's just follow the lows. All right. I said I probably wouldn't get any more opportunities to trade Amazon. Ben is like my what's that guy in the courtroom who types everything you say? I know I did this yesterday when I did something stupid, but nah, it was above VWAP for sure. Look, this is my entry. This blue arrow right here. Long bottoming tail. Higher low. So yeah, it's not a terrible play. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna cut my risk in half. Well, not in half, but make it a little less, and go right there with it. That might be a little too tight. Yeah, we don't want to get back much. But yeah, it's above VWAP. Got this nice bottoming tail here, which I didn't take, but I basically traded it on the 5, which is why I have my stop down here, because I share size for the 5 also. Alright, new high day on Amazon. Looking pretty good, Ben. I think we're going to be alright on this one. Right, but in reference to this low here, when you say it's trending up, all right, we got up here, higher low here, then we make a high over this area, and then a higher low here, and then we break back up and retest VWAP without trading too far through. That's pretty nah, you're right though. I mean, as far as the picture perfect setup, this is not a picture perfect setup. This is looking at the price action and seeing what it's doing. I know my track record hasn't been great with that lately, but I actually get a lot of good trades like that. But market conditions, but like it's definitely all these bottoming tails down here. It's showing buying pressure, you know, and it's held above VWAP 1, 2, 3 candles, you know, so thought it was a good time to give it a swing. Now, if I had more shares, probably be trying to take out at 180 right here, but hopefully she would keep rolling. The dotted line, you talking about the blue line? Oh, yesterday's close. Yeah, I mean, it's way past yesterday's close though, so bro, I wouldn't have nothing to trade. I guess that's a good thing too, but everything that I trade is below yesterday's close. But specifically, it's like if it opened near yesterday's close and then started trading below, I wouldn't want to take any trades up in here. But way down here, building a base and having a lot of room to get up to yesterday's close, that's cool, because it basically becomes resistance when you get underneath it. It's support when you're on top of it and resistance when you're underneath it. So if you're right up underneath it, it's not, you can't trade it because you just bump your head on it, right? But it's way down here. My target's here. I got plenty of room to trade underneath it. You know what I mean? So it's just like little things. Hey, let's move that stop up, capture a little more profit. I think 4R is a home run. Like, I should pretty much take out and be cool with 125, which would be $1. So that would be 75, which we already hit.
You know, let's just let it roll, man. Oh, they do it. All right, we slowing down already. Do I need to get aggressive? Nah, yeah. Hey, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate it. I don't mind at all, man. I don't mind at all. Um, Keeps me on my toes. Keeps me thinking through my trade, even though I'm already in the trade. But um, yeah, man. Yeah. Sometimes it's like when you're in the zone and you can read the price action. You know what I mean? Like you just kind of got a feel for how it's moving, and you see what's happening with it, and just watching these type of moves for a long time, it's like, okay, this thing is priming itself for a move up. Like you can just kind of tell this big pin here, and then trading up over all of this. Like it was bumping his head at 179.20 area, and then it broke through, you know, and then didn't fall back below too far. Held VWAP here, traded back through, nice bottom and tail, then came back above and started bumping his head at the high volume support line, my blue line there. And so I placed my order just above that line. And when it broke through, we, got in there, gave it a chance. Gave it a chance. I tell you what, though, we are not going to lose any money on this Amazon trade. Tell you that. All right, so look at gold. Look at gold. Trade of the day on Guild. Wish this ad was a little better. If this ad was right here, that would be like, you know what I mean? Like, all right, I'm going to go ahead and capture that. Let's see. What's ATR on Baba? I don't know if I want to get into Baba. Like, Baba's ATR is super puny. Yeah, I'm not getting into Baba. I'm about to take off Baba. What can I look at instead of that? Ooh, Google. Let's watch Google instead. Yeah, let's watch Google instead. Gold keep making new highs. Let's go. Come on, Amazon. Amazon breaks. I was about to point at the chart with my finger like you can see. Amazon breaks this high. I'm moving my stop up here. And we're going to be happy with whatever we get in between that and my take profit. Because, shoot, be happy to just be break even. I almost want to just take it now. Be patient, though. We will be patient. Meta throwing some narrow bars down here at VWAP. This already really made a nice move, though, without me. Still got some room in the ATR, though. Not really. Nah. It's tempting. That's tempting. What you think, Ben? This closes as a hammer doji. Take the candle to break above that. On a 2-minute. I don't know. This is kind of aggressive. Come on, gold. Dotted line. What was he looking at? Oh, ah. Yep. You right, my friend. I am not gonna do it. Yeah, because when I was buying down here, I was hoping to get to the dotted line, and now it's at the dotted line, and it just bumped his head at the dotted line, and here I am looking for an entry. All right, what about Google though? That could be better. That could be better. Yeah, we'll wait and see if it gets a little better. We'll wait. Meta looking saucy right now, though, bro. Bruh. Yeah. The fact that it's traded through the dotted line twice, 3 times. This mug, it looks real saucy, man. Above VWAP. It's been uptrending all day. I got some cushion, man. $489.99. Man. Talking about this guy, $4.92. That's $2. This would be a, bruh, less than $1 stop. Oh, stopped out of gold. Stopped out of gold. 4R on that one. Think we can celebrate. At least we can count it. And we are up 2R on the day. Got some money on the table on Amazon. And Meta fell through VWAP. So it all worked out. It all worked out. I'm expecting a turnaround somewhere in this area. What's that? 179.63. Okay. Meta trying to throw an even more narrow range bar. Look at that. Man. That's what I thought. This guy up here. 86, 87. That's pretty nice.
It is under HVS too, though. Actually, that would kind of be right here. $35. I think that one looks pretty good, yo. It's an inside bar from yesterday. Trying to think of some more reasons. High 152.26. It's right at this high too. On this daily. And that high too. Alright, there's a new low. Either the high or the low of the day has formed. That's all I need. If he dies, he dies. Alright, it's looking pretty bad. I'm not gonna sit here and beat on that. Alright, these will be my last two of the day. If both of these stop, I'm closing up shop. Jeez, that was kind of an aggressive stop out there. Well, thank you, Meta. Still got my Amazon. It doesn't look like it wants to go up past 180 here. And Google is falling for sure. Bro, I'm gonna be big mad if it just goes and does what I thought it was gonna do after stopping me out for no reason. Hmm. We about to find out, Ben. We're not risking a whole R on it though. Yeah. That's a mighty long consolidation on Amazon. 5-minute candle, that's for sure. It's ticking low. Wow, look what happened to gold. Glad I had my stop up there. Yeah, see, this is the candle I probably should have waited for right here. Golly, that was quick. All right. Yo, dotted line, man, dotted line. Yeah, that 5-minute green candle right here is atrocious. I guess a question I could have asked myself on Meta was, if I hadn't lost right here, would I really have been trying to trade it right here? That is the question. especially after this looks like a great short setup right here, testing through the yesterday's close, and then a higher low at yesterday's close. Yeah, you was right, Ben. You was right. I'm gonna give you more weight tomorrow, man. Yep, you right. Nothing. Absolutely. Yep, my only trade would have been gold. Only trade today would have been gold. Man, this dude went scorched earth on me in the comments on one of my videos. Basically telling me how stupid it is to be trading on lower time frames like this. But I don't know, man. I see good trades every day, and I'll take a good trade, but like my mistakes are not because of the time frame tricked me, right? Right, Ben? They're just because I don't follow the rules. Right? Like, not supposed to trade the first 10 minutes, so I wouldn't have got faked out there, right? And then this, after getting rejected of the yesterday's close, like, this was stupid. But I took this one because I wanted that one back, and then I took that one because I wanted this one back. Yep. And then Amazon, same thing here. Wouldn't have got into that trade. And was this not 2R up here? It's trading on the 5, that's why. Yeah, that is true. Just went ahead and got out of there. Yeah, I think that's pretty clear. Gold was a great setup. This is like exactly my setup. Right? Trading over that support line and over VWAP, higher high, higher low, hammer bar to VWAP. Textbook. Textbook setup. See how different it looks from this crap. Yep. But those don't pay off very well. That's funny, man. Yeah. And in 1 minute, my timer is going to go off and say no more trades. Well, I didn't take any entries below VWAP. So I guess that's my most proud rule of not to break. Quick scout back to high day. This one's too good, man. Look at it. He said, oh no. Hammer bar on the 1 and the 2. He said, oh no. Huh. Hmm. That's true. That is true. That's a lot to think about there, man. Because for sure, even if this was a good trade, or even if this is a good trade, the the effect it would have psychologically of, okay, it's okay to break the rules sometimes, and that's literally my downfall. The losing winning trade. Yep. So what you saying is I should just get out of it? For the sake of the rules, Ben, I'm out of the trade. Even though this is a super good setup, for the sake of the rules, I'm closing the trade. I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. This move right here, Ben, is me turning over a new leaf. But that's a damn good setup right there. I appreciate it, Ben. You're like my conscience who comes in here to trade with me every day. Every time I'm breaking the rule, you're like, hey, man, I'm going to send you a copy of my rules, bro, so you can have them up. All right. No more breaking the rules. I got out of the trade. Cost me like $2, but still got green 355. It's a good trade if it meets the criteria of your rules, because the rules take into account wins and losses. Right? That's why you got stop loss management in the rules also, because the rules are based on a ratio of wins and losses. And so if you take a pool of trades based on the system and you look at the wins and losses, if you trade the system, the idea is that you will win more than you will lose, and your wins will be more profitable than your losses. So, yeah. So, yeah, a bad trade is one that breaks the rules, and a good trade is one that follows the rules. So, yeah, no trades after 10 o'clock. Yep, you're right. You're right. Well, guess I'm gonna take my $3.55. Man, that was a nice trade on gold though. These other trades was trash. Should have been just a good $100 day, you know, and walk away with a successful trade and no mistakes. But you know, live to trade another day. This trade, what happened with this? Yeah, even though it was a good entry on the 5, it was pretty crappy on the 1. It wasn't really a. I should have share sized for this candle, but that looks terrible. Yeah. Right. Right. Then it'd be like, man, maybe you need to think about a different strategy. Yeah. But yeah, here's that setup working out. I'm not mad though. I I mean, it's working out up till now. It doesn't mean it's going to go to target. But I think that was a good step in the right direction, man. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yo, that was a clean setup on Amazon, though. Still a Green Day recap. Yo. Alright. Well, Ben, I super appreciate you, man. I see we got another person in here. What's up, man? Thanks for hanging out. If you guys could hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't. Today was a step forward, I'll say, with my last trade, getting out of it, trying to take a step towards the rules. It's like it's so overwhelmingly clear that breaking my rules, like all the little reasons I come up with to break them, they don't work out. But I'll talk more about that in my review video. And anyway.